Hello guys, today I've got the Nothing Headphone A model and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the mono audio on your iPhone for your headphones. If you have some hearing troubles or you just want to test something, you can enable mono audio. And how to actually do that? At first you need to open the settings and here scroll down to the accessibility. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the the audio and visual section, right here in the hearing. Now, here as you can see, we have here this stick, mono audio. Here tap turn on, and here as you can see, make the left and right speakers play the same content. And actually, it's that easy. Goodbye and have a nice day.